How to sell your gift card on cardlaxy app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, like this video, and more importantly, share it for more people to see. Have you done that right now? Now let's get started. This is what you are going to do. Go to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store and search for cardlaxy like this. Cardlaxy, you can see it. Cardlaxy, you can see is the second one. Cardlaxy sell gift card. Click on it and download this application to your phone. After you download it, open it. uh open it, guys. This is how it's going to look like when you open it, and you can see down here you see home, transaction support, and me. Click on me. When you click on me, it's going to look like this, and you can see down you see sign up. Click on sign up. You understand right now? And put your name. Let's say your name is James. Your Gmail. Put your Gmail. Segment at gmail.com. Okay, put your Gmail. Put your phone number 7019737324. Good. And create your password. Let me show you how your password supposed to look like. You understand right now? Create your password. Firstly, make sure you start with capital letter. Let's say James. Okay, let me open it so you can see. So it will look like this. Make sure you add number at the front of it, any number you want, like this, and add something like this at the back, or something like this, it will go. And the last one is your referral code, X2M7AK. And after you have done this, make sure you click. You can see I agree to card brother. Do you know the reason why referral code is important? Is that invitation code is important? Is that they are going to give you a registration bonus of 2,000 naira. But if you didn't put it, that means you don't want the welcome bonus of 2,000 naira. Do you understand right now? And also, they are going to reward me for using my referral code. Do you understand right now? So after you have done all this, you click on I agree to cardlaxy terms and condition, and you click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, guys, they are going to send a code to confirm your Gmail or to your phone number, and you input that code to your confirmation, and you are done. And your account has been successfully registered. Now I'm not going to register because I have my own account before. I'm just going to log into my own account, and we do the necessary things, guys. Now let me log into my own account, then we can continue, guys. I'm trying to log into my own account right now, then we can continue. Pam 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 pam. Okay, I think. Okay. Right now I've logged in. You can see this is my own welcome bonus. You can see 2,000 naira on my balance. Do you understand right now? Now let me show you how to sell your gift card on cardlaxy app. This is what you are going to do. You can see sell, and if you have not added your bank account, you can see add your bank account on here. But if it didn't show, I'll show you how to add your bank account and how to withdraw your money after we finish selling the card. Now you can see withdrawal, and you can see sell now. Click on sell now. Do you understand right now? And click on this. You can see Apple iTunes. Click on it. If you want to change it, you want to choose the categories of the card you want to sell. You can see everything are here. Let's say we want to use Amazon, Google Play, eBay, but let's use Apple iTunes as an example. Now, the balance of your card, let's say your balance is $200. the balance of the gift card you want to sell. And the next thing is, let's say your card is a US card, you click on it. If it is UK, you click on it. If it is Canada, you click on it. Do you understand right now? So you choose US card as an example. And let's wait, I think this, okay, you click on here, you can see the list. You can see the list on here, $100, $50. Click on, instead of writing it, click on it here to show more option. When you click on it like this, it will show more option. You can see, then select the country of your card, USA, and a physical card. If it is physical card, leave it like this. If it is e-code, put it here. But let's use physical card. Let me tell you, physical card are the gift card purchased at a physical store, supermarket. Do you understand right now? But e-code is a gift card purchased on a website. If someone purchase a gift card on a website, it is e-code, because they are just going to send the code to that person's Gmail. So that is e-code. Now, the next thing you are going to do is choose if it is horizontal or whiteboard. As we all know, Apple have different type. Whiteboard is the common one. You know the one you have on your image. You will know the one you have. Then you leave it like this as a physical. Do you understand? Just leave it as a physical. And the next thing is to leave everything like this, and you write the code of your gift card. The code of your gift card, just write the code here. Immediately you write the code here, click on confirm, and you are done. But if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, just click on upload. Do you understand right now? Click on gallery. Do you understand? And select the image of your gift card. Let's say, for example, this is the image of the gift card I want to sell. For example, do you understand right now? You can see it has uploaded. Do you understand right now? And the next thing we are going to do is to click on, I think it is network issue. It should be here on confirm. You understand? Then let me tell you one more thing. Let's say your gift card is 2. Do you understand right now? Let's say your gift card is 2, and let's say your gift card is 2 and it is $50 or $100 each. You just have to click on another box and upload the second card. Just write the total amount on here and click on confirm. Then you are done. Immediately you click on confirm. Guys. Okay, you can see right now when I choose whiteboard is the common Apple card. Is this one. You can see this one that I upload is whiteboard. It's called whiteboard. Do you understand right now? You can see the amount you are getting, 223,200 naira is what you are going to get after you finish selling the $200 Apple card on cardlaxy. Immediately you click on confirm, guys. In few seconds, your money will be available on your balance. Do you understand? That means you have sell your gift card on cardlaxy. And the next thing now is to withdraw your money to your bank account. You can see withdrawal here. Click on withdrawal. Do you understand? And you will see write the amount. Let's write the amount. Let's say you want to withdraw this amount. You can see here, you see choose a bank card. Do you understand? You click on it and you choose the bank you are using. Write the name of your bank on your bank, the name on your account, the name you are using on your account. And the next thing is to write your account number and save it. Do you understand right now? Then come back here and write the amount you want to withdraw and click on withdraw. Then immediately you click on withdraw, and also they might ask you to create a transaction pin. That means if you want to do any transaction, that is the 4-digit pin you are going to be using. You create it, you write it, let's say 1234 or 234. You write it there. Then if you want to do any transaction, they might ask you for that pin and you write it and you are done. Immediately your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is how to sell your gift card on cardlaxy, guys. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe right now. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys, and make sure you like this video and also share it for more people to see, guys. I will see you in another video. One love.